News Daily by Vishal Kudaka.
Government relaxes visa restrictions. The Ministry of Home Affairs MHA on Thursday further relaxed visa restrictions enabling foreigners to come to India for various purposes such as business, conference, employment, education, research and medical reasons.
BJP manifesto promises free vaccine for Bihar. The BJP on Thursday released its manifesto for the Bihar Assembly poll, with the first promise being free distribution of a COVID-19 vaccine once it is approved. India's leading pharmaceutical company, Dr. Reddy's Labs, said it has isolated all data center services and temporarily shut some production facilities to take preventive action in the wake of a cyber attack in the early hours of Thursday. Daily testing to be increased to 70,000 cm. The government intends to hike the daily COVID-19 testing to 70,000. The private sector should also come forward and do more testing, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said here on Thursday. Aruvikara plant clears BIS water quality test. The bottled drinking water plant at Aruvikara has finally cleared the water quality test of the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS), paving the way for the launch of the much-delayed commercial operations. The Kerala Irrigation Infrastructure Development Corporation, the irrigation department agency that now manages the 16 crore facility, is now awaiting the formal issue of the BIS certification. Pandey's masterclass helps Sunrisers flatten Royals. His sensational 83 not out is complemented by Vijay Shankar and Holder's efforts. Rajasthan Royals batsmen managed below par 154. Today's result: Chennai Super Kings vs Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians won by 10 wickets.